Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to analyze and design a flat slab. Okay, so at first open STAAD Pro, click on new project, select space, choose location and give name, length unit for me meter, force unit kilonewton, then click on next, then click on end beam, then finish. Okay, so for flat slab we have to just create the node, not the beams. Okay, now go to edit option. I'm going to manipulate the grid. Go to exit. This is the plane. Now this is the exit plane. See, now difference between flat slab and normal slab is the normal slab will rest on the beam, okay, but the flat slab rests on the columns. Okay, so we have to just create the node for flat slab. Okay, so press here for create a node. Now you see this is a link, or they are going to link the node between. Okay, so you have to press control from your keyboard. Now I am pressing control from your keyboard, and now you can create node anywhere in the grid. Now I am going to click here. I am going to give this side 3 meter span, so 3 span, it will be 9 meter. In this axis, z axis, it will be the same 3 meter. Okay, this is 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay, now I am just creating a flat slab, or you can say room. Now this is our rooms or slabs. Now switch off the grid. Now you can see this is our rooms or slabs. This side is 3 meter, this side is 3 meter, and you can decrease or increase the span of the slab. Okay, now we have to create slab for this. Okay, for that go to generate surface meshing. Now you can create the particular one slab, or you can create the whole slab at a time. Okay, now create the slab at a time. We have to add the node of the corner. Now this side is 3 meter, remember, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 9 meter, and this side also 9 meter. Now quadrantal meshing. Now you see this AB distance is 9 meter. Okay, now what is AB? A is 0, that means it is a 0 0 axis. To Y, sorry, X to Z is 9 meter, so division will be 3, and B is 9. What? Now it is on the X axis is a 9, and in the Z it is 0. Length is 9 meter, so division will be 3. All for the 3. Now click on apply. Now see, this is a ABCD. You want to know what are the digit on the nodes. This is the A node, this is the B node, this is the C node, this is the D node. Okay, now you can go to the plate cursor and select. This is a 9 plates are created. Okay, now I have to fix the columns, or you can say fix the nodes, as it is a column, the nodes are column. Okay, now go to fixed, go to support page, click on create, add the fixed support. Now select the support option and select all the nodes, then click on assign the select nodes, assign yes. Now our columns has been given, our column has been fixed. Okay, now close it. Now we have to give property for the slab. Go to member property page. Now this is a slab. For that, go to thickness. Now our thickness will be 160 millimeter, so in meter will be 0.16. now add it, close it. You can give your requirement or your suitable thickness. Now go to plate cursor, select the plates, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. Now go to the 3D render view. You can see our slabs, all slabs are created. Now we have to give load. Go to load page, go to load case detail, click on add, loading type date, give title date, then add it, go to live, give title live, add it, close it. Now go to date load. That load will be goes to self load, edit self load and plate load. This is actually a plate. Now give 4 kilonewton in the global y axis, minus for the downward load. Add it, close it. Self weight goes to whole structure and plate load goes to the plates. Select the plates, click on assign the selected plates, assign yes. Now scale the loads. You can see it is acting on the plates. Now go to live load, click on add plate load, plate on pressure on full plate and give me -2 kilonewton in the global y axis. Add it, close it. It also goes to the plates, the whole plates. Click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. Okay, now our loads are complete. Now I am going to design it. Go to design, concrete design. Now select your code. I am going to select AMBS 807. Now select parameters. Now this is the available parameters. Now I am going to select clear, compressive strength and yield strength. Okay, now okay. Define the parameters which I have selected. For clear cover will be 25 millimeter, in meter 0.025. Now add it. Compressive strength will be 20,000 and FI mean will be 415,000 and close. Now all the parameters goes to the whole structure. Assign to view, yes. FC assign to view. FI main also goes to assign to view. Now we have to go to comment. Now select the design slab or element. Now click on add, close. Now it goes to the plates. Select the plates, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. Now go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay. Analyze, run analyze, save. Okay, now you see there is one warning. This warning is nothing but these are freedom fixed. Okay, you can ignore it. If there is any error in your analyze or in your design, then you should be worried. Okay, now this is your concrete design. Okay, now depth is 160, width is 1000 millimeter, cover 25 mm, and this is your reinforcement. Okay, for 9 slab, element of 9 reinforcement. Okay, now all the reports you have here. You can go to the post processing. Now select the loads app. Okay, you can check the reaction for slabs in the columns. Okay, no window. In each columns on each node you have the reaction value. You can note it down, the reaction value, and you can design the columns. Okay, you can go to the plates. Now stress strike maximum absolute, apply. Okay, you can see the values. You can go to the reports. Now go to output, and this is your reports. Select all that and click on OK, and you all have the reports here. Okay, this is the moment, this is the shear force in the x direction, y direction, z direction. Similarly, the moment in the x, y, z. Okay, so that's it. That's how we're gonna design and analyze a flat slab in STAAD Pro. Okay, now the video is uploaded soon. So if you have any particular topic, you have problem on STAAD Pro, you can mail me or comment on the video. I will get back you soon. So thank you for watching my video and keep subscribing on my channel.